and this is also made by Sieg, and the problem is, you know, this is pretty close to 4 inches, or pretty close to 100 millimeters. So I cannot machine this cleanly, so I'm going to have to do it in 2 halves. I'm going to have to face this side off first, turn the block over, or I can run this X over 100 millimeters, and in actual fact it's going to be 108 millimeters. And slide this block over a little bit more. So I don't know really how I'm going to manage that yet, but or I might even just take it out, turn it over. I could do that as well, but then I'd have to obviously sort of mic this up to get it exactly the right size, because the jaws of my machine vise, all my machine vices are 4 inches or 100 mils. So, you know, I don't want to go taking anything out of my jaws. I've wrote a program in ArtCAM. I've asked it to cut a slot 26 millimeters deep and 8 millimeters wide. I've got an 8 millimeter tool in here, and I know I've got to take about 2 millimeter off this end and 2 millimeter off that end, roughly. So for this first cut, I'm just going to bring it down so it's just touching the top of the material. Okay, so now we'll go to the pendant, which is much more okay. So that's just scratched the top, so I know that is on the top of the material now. It's in about the middle of the material. Actually, I'll take it back a little. That'll do. So now I can zero the X, Y, and Z. Raise the tool up now, off the material. And now we can begin the cut. Exactly 100 millimeters. Now that is the type of accuracy that you can get with these small CNC conversions, but it is necessary to start off with the right machine. Sieg is built to very high quality. So if you want an accurate CNC machine, start off with the right machine. So what I'm saying is, if you're thinking of making a CNC conversion, whether it be a lathe or a milling machine, if you can possibly go for Sieg. You won't be sorry.